Well, hello everybody. We're just getting set up. Hold up. Gotta pull out the chats and all the fun stuff. How is everybody doing? Hopefully you can hear me. I am notorious for setting this up incorrectly. But feeling pretty good. Got the laundry going. True champion stuff happening. Alright, let's see here. Need the old tube of you. Let's pop that chat out. I need to find better tools. I don't want to have to do this every time. Kevin, what's up, man? Thanks for joining. Appreciate the chat. We're working on it. We're getting everything going. We are doing it. Excited? Gonna do some more oopity oop. Got my hot chocolate. Oh, got the Twitter video running in the background, making sure that volume's there. All right. How's everyone's day? Hopefully good. Mine was good. For the Canadians, went out to Swiss Chalet. Yeah, hot chocolate. Doing well. I pulled off the 3-drink mode today. We got hot chocolate, we got Diet Coke, and we got water. Champion mode. We're in it today. In it to win it, as some of the people say. Alright. We got everything going. I guess we should put out the old Twitter message. And we are live. Going to do some Oop with boot.dev. Come join in the struggle. Watch in horror as I butcher the code and ask you to say nothing. It's pretty good, yeah? It's the 3 horsemen, right? Hot chocolate, Diet Coke, water. Apocalypse is coming, baby. Let's do this. Links in the old bio and below. I am still so annoyed about the stupid, like, deboosting of linked posts. I don't know if that's still true, but it is so frustrating to feel like I need to put links in a post after the other post. It's just so dumb. So dumb. I mean, I know we're trying to be the everything app over here, but come on. Help some people out here. Alright. I think we got everything set. Kevin, what'd you get up to, man? Did you do anything exciting? Oh, my music in my headset is too loud. I can't concentrate. Turn you down. Hopefully it's not too loud in the background. For you all. Alright. Boom. Okay, we've got the chats. For here on X, we got Dex.com, the everything app. For those who are concerned, the load of laundry is a dark load. Whites are coming up next. Maybe some light colors. I don't know. We'll see how much time we have. I've already committed to not doing folding today. So, welcome clean laundry pile on the floor tomorrow. We'll fold tomorrow. Kevin, not too much. Just a little work today. And now just hanging out at home. Nice. Yeah, my wife is doing coursework because she's working on a new job potential, so she's got to do all this coursework for it. Education world. But yeah, so she's got that, and I gotta stream, baby, you know? Get those subscribers up. I have 2 main goals with getting my subscribers up. 1, it becomes a full-time job. Unlikely, but that's okay. 2nd, get enough followers that I can convince my wife that she should send me to React Miami because it will be related to work. That one's a tough sell. Because for those who don't know, I am in marketing as my normal day job, and I just do coding and this for fun because I like it and I want to learn more. And I've always enjoyed coding, and I've always been not very good at it because I never put in the time. So here we go. Time. Yeah, W wife for sure. She's amazing. She's really great. She works way too hard and stresses too much, as people who take life an appropriate amount of serious do. Unlike their foolish husbands. Her seriousness allows me to be foolish, so it works out well. Oh man, okay. Well then, oh man, I was gonna ask what's your story. Would love to hear it. Also, how much money ballpark do you think you need for React Miami? Would be cool to have a goal on stream and chat can help you raise it. Oh dang, I have not thought that far ahead, Kevin. I mean, okay, here's the deal. I could definitely get down there on airline points, so that's covered. So really, it's like tickets. Oh, that was a good flash of light, showing off my whiteness with how much white light I can reflect when I move. Okay, so tickets to React and lodging, and obviously I could pay for some lodging. Okay, here's what we'll do. We're gonna ask. I'm gonna talk to my wife, because there's also the matter of like we have 2 kids, and so ditching her for a weekend is still part of the discussion. So maybe part of my money raising would need to be a gift for my wife in order to help smooth things over. But yeah, I don't know. It's that's a good question. All right, I'll have a discussion with her. We'll see. We'll see if we can come up with a number. I mean, it would be fun. It would make it interesting. And then if we pulled it off, that'd be fun. And then if we pull it off, then I can yell at the React Miami team and be like, obviously you guys should have me speak about marketing at React Miami, because I'm only here because we did solid stream marketing and raised enough money to come. There you go. Get the ball rolling. This is a good start of an idea, Kevin. We really turned this into something pretty quick. I'm into it. Did I give you enough on my story about like what my background is? I mean, it's pretty basic. I've always been in marketing. My whole career has been marketing. I have always liked coding in my spare time for fun, but because it's always been spare time for fun, it would be like, a month of learning some stuff and then like 6 months of forgetting everything that I just learned and then redoing it for a month, so on and so on and so on. And then so I've done a bunch of random things. Like I got really into learning to code Lua with Pico 8, the fantasy console, which is awesome. If anyone wants to make games that are like retro cool games, here, I'll just show you mine. Here, actually, I'll just go to Pico 8. This thing is awesome. Passwords should all be saved. So, oh, this is new. Oh, this is Fandom. I didn't even go to the right website because it's Lexa Lawful, not Pico 8, because I'm an idiot. Next stream, you got to let us know the number goal for Miami. Okay, deal. All right, I'm going to come up with it. If you've never played around with Pico 8, this is what... I think the volume should work on here. So this was one of the things that I made. So what I love about Pico 8 is, here's the game, but then... Let me see, I'm trying to remember if you can do it in here. No, anyways. So you write all the code and it's all shareable with everybody. Everyone can see what you wrote. You can download these carts and play them. They're all free. It's awesome. So, okay, hold on. The question, what's your end goal? Like, if you could wave a magic wand, would you want to be a streamer, a software engineer? Oh, I honestly think, like, okay, so I have found that I love doing this. This is so much fun. Like, it's the thing that I look forward to doing now every day, and gives me, I can tell I enjoy it because when I'm done, I feel energized. Like, I feel legitimately pumped up, which is why I also need to figure out how to start streaming earlier in the day, but work and kids makes it kind of tough. But ideally, at some point in my life, I'd be able to figure out how to do it in full time and just do it in the day, because I have found that this is really, really fun for me. and hopefully it's fun for other people, but I thoroughly enjoy it. So if I could wave a magic wand, I would do that. And if I could do streaming while building software, which is obviously not a path that I'm inventing, Prime and Tej and all those other guys have clearly done a good job with showing that it's a thing that people can do. My main difference from them is starting with basically no engineering background or computer science background, other than, like I said, just hobbying it up and having fun. So if I could somehow do both, that would be cool. But the reason I started doing the boot.dev courses was because I wanted to get better at software engineering. I wanted to be better at coding. I wanted to understand it more. I was hoping to, just gain some more skills with it. And I find it enjoyable. But now that I started doing streaming, was kind of like, maybe I could do boot.dev on stream, and that's a good excuse to try streaming, because I was incredibly paranoid about doing this. Like, I was not eager to be on camera. It was not something that I was nervous about it. I didn't want to do it, but there was still that little itch where I was like, I think I want to do this, even though it's terrifying, and I'm like, why would anybody want to watch somebody who doesn't know what they're doing learn to code? But who cares? I should just do it. And then so boot.dev, when I found it, I was like, okay, this is cool. I feel like I could do it on stream. Maybe there'll be some people like me out there who enjoy coding, haven't pursued it, and are, and also have like streaming, but are afraid of looking like an idiot on stream. And so it's like, well, I could be the first idiot for them and show them that, whatever, have fun, stream, learn, do whatever you want to do. And, who knows what'll happen. But that was a really, really rambling answer to say that I think your question is perfect. And if I could do both of those things at the same time, streaming and engineering or in software development, that'd be awesome. I'd be very happy doing that. Oh yeah, here, I was just going to quickly show you my Aaron's Quest. So I actually made this game. So the cool thing about Pico 8, if you've never heard of it, is not only do you, you're great at this. I'm glad you're enjoying. Oh, thanks, man. I really appreciate that. It's great. I honestly don't know how to not be myself. I do not have a memory that lasts long enough to try and create a character and then be that person on stream. It just wouldn't work. I'd blow it way too many times. So, yeah. So thank you. Thanks for watching. It's like I said, I truly enjoy this. It is very fun. So we'll see what happens. I'm trying to just do it every night is the goal for the next, see how I can do over the next couple months. So just doing it every day. Okay, here, real quick. Pico 8. I made this game for, here, I'll pause the music. I made this game for my nephew when it was his birthday, and I won't play the whole thing, but I coded all of this and drew it all, and the only thing I didn't do was the music. And there's this guy named Gruber, who does music for lots of people in the Pico 8 community, and he's awesome. And so, this whole thing I made, you get a key, you get a scroll, and then the whole point was you have to find all these scrolls. And so there's a bunch of hidden scrolls and keys to unlock places. It actually ended up being quite a big game. This was the good one. This is the one that tricked my nephew a little bit, that scroll up there. And then long story short, you get through the whole game. Lots of puzzles to figure out. I can't believe I actually remember how to do all this. I haven't played this in so long. Door's locked. Oh, I don't have a key. So that's okay. Shortcut out. Boom. So yeah, this was after doing this game. Oh yeah, it was his 10th birthday, in case you're wondering why this little secret was to make a 10. But the whole point is you have to gather all the scrolls. Actually, I'm still missing 12 scrolls. And long story short is you get all of the scrolls and it gives you a code. And the code would, I'll just do it. Whatever. What else are we gonna do? Who cares? This was a good trick. Yeah, little fake path through the water. Oh, yeah. I hope you didn't want to play this game because I'm playing the whole thing now. Spoiler alert. There you go. Let's see if I can remember where all these things are. There was a secret path somewhere. Was it this one? Yeah, there you go. Gotta get those keys. spikes. My nephew was too smart for me, though. He found out, because, like, you can't actually die, because it was a game for him as a fun thing. But so he figured out a really smart trick that the door's locked. How do I... Oh, I ran out of keys. Oh, are my keys not collecting? Oh, did something break? So, unfortunately, that does happen. Sometimes they... Well, I should have keys. Oh, there's a key up there. I gotta go get it first. Anyways... But so I did this, and then he found out tricks like this. I made it so you had to go there and back, and then he was too smart because I put waypoints in. So if you die within a puzzle, it just sends you to the start. But then so he figured out to just do this, and then it resets the puzzle, and so he could just like go back to the beginning without having to go through the whole thing. Oh, I found a scroll. I forgot about that one. All right, we're moving along now. So yeah, this was the reason I am even showing you this, because you asked about my history, is learning to code on this fantasy console completely changed my belief in what I could do with development. Like, I had, like I said, I had done some random things, like built a Nextcloud server and did silly things with that, and like made a bunch of random programs that were nothing. Like, they were just garbage. Mostly, not fully copying and pasting, but, I wasn't, like, learning what I was doing. I was just building them out. And then anyways, so I did that, and blah, 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 many years of back and forth on that. And then finally I came across this system and just fell in love with the fact that, like, you got to draw everything, you got to make the music and the sound effects, and you had to code it. And I was like, oh, this is an amazing thing. And then, so I made a different game called Lemonade Stand, which was like which was a reimagining of an old Commodore 64 game where you have to make lemonade and then try and sell it. And then, like, based on the weather patterns and all sorts of... Oh, shit. I wasn't paying attention. This is cool. I go back and forth with wanting to try and make an indie game. Okay, if you have any interest in indie games and you just want to fart around, the community with Pico 8 is awesome. I mean, you already know how to develop, and like there's lots of incredible programmers in the community. One of the coolest people I got to meet through this community was I mean, don't get me wrong, there's lots of cool people, but Tom Hall, one of the original 3 people who worked on Doom with the Johns, he builds Pico 8 games for fun. And for a long time, I haven't been active in the Discord for a long time, but for a super long time, he was like active in the Discord, and you just like chat him up about the games he was building and what he was working on. And then the last I talked to him, he went to go work for a VR company, and I'm not sure if he's still there, but he was making games for a VR company. But the community was great. Like, they were just so much fun. Oh no, I forget where some of these are. How many scrolls am I missing? Shoot. I thought I was going to remember where all these are. Someone's seen 5. Oh, I didn't go far enough in that first dungeon. So anyways, the community is great. The people are awesome. And making these games is straightforward and fun without being... Oh, I'm missing a key somewhere. Without being like too easy, because it's kind of like making a game for, an old school computer. So coding all the Lua is fun, and I need to find that last key so I can finish this, because now I've committed and I must do it. It's got to be under one of these rocks or something. There's got to be a key somewhere. Aha, there we go. So yeah, if you have any interest in doing it, it's a lot of fun, and it's like $10 to buy the license for this. And like I said, Lexalawful, the guy who built it, that's his handle. He's fantastic. This one was cool. Watch this. You find this magic scroll. Oh, what's that secret door? So, as you could probably imagine, my 9, soon-to-be 10-year-old found this very fun. Although he's also very good at games, so he got through this really, really fast. I mean, it wasn't a huge game. The point of it, and what I'm trying to do, is get to the end so that I can show you why I built it, which you might be already figuring out, but... Oh, shoot. There's a way to get around this thing. Here we go. Okay, we're almost done. There's one more level. I actually forgot how big this was. I made this game a lot larger than I thought I did. It was a lot of fun, though. This was a blast. I feel like I did this, and you could do, like, a secret way, yeah. So, yeah. If it's something you're interested in, do it. I highly recommend. Oh, I don't need to go through here, do I? Or maybe I still do. Oh, shoot. Spikes. Forgot. I'm glad this is still tripping me up a little bit. It makes me feel like I actually made a decent game. Okay, wait. That spike is... Oof. Okay. I found a key. And I think there's one more scroll up here, right? Oh, maybe I have all the scrolls. Okay. I think we're good. But this is where my nephew... I think I said cousin a couple times, but my nephew outsmarted me. He's just like, oh, you get put at the start if you hit a spike and die? I'm just going to do that every time. I was like, oh, you fart. That was smart. All right, let's see here. Can I get in? Okay, ready? Here, hold on. I'm going to turn this up a little bit. Hopefully that's not too loud. I know I realized I just cranked it, and I hope that's not too loud. But this is the whole point of the game. You found all the magic scroll. Your treasure is inside. Ready? So there you go. That was... That was the game. Hope nobody has a seizure from that shining light. But that was it. So that was the point. So he got to go. That's a wholesome. What a great B-Day present. Yeah, it was pretty fun. It was a lot of fun to make. And then the cool thing about Pico 8 is like all the code's here. And so anybody in theory could take this. And if they buy a gift card, assuming it's the same amount of tokens. I mean, you could always add more, but then you'd have to add more scrolls. But you could just go in and reprogram the code. So whatever the code ends up being for the actual gift card, and so you could just use it and do it. So that was it. It was fun. It was a lot of fun to make. I had a good time. And so anyways, again, going back to the reason why I did this, this was one of those moments for me where I was just like, oh, I can make stuff. Like I can actually do this. I mean, I figured this out. I did all the coding. I got it to work. I did all the testing, blah, 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 blah. And I was like, wow, I think I could do this. And then that kind of got me on a path for a while where I started doing more coding practice and that sort of stuff. But all right, Kevin, hey man, thank you so much. I'm going to maybe lurk and have a good stream. Awesome. I'm going to go do some boot.dev now. I really appreciate that. And thanks for asking me about the story. And yeah, have a good night, man. We'll catch up soon. I'm sure I will be reply guying to you on Twitter any moment. So have a good one. Okay. Well, now that we've been through the old Pico 8 game, I think it's time to do some Oop. What do you think, friends? Oh, I should turn my music back on, at least in my headphones, because, man, it is quiet. All right. Let's turn this back on. There we go. No silence. That's the way to be. All right. Here we go. Oh. I don't know if anyone hears this. Please, I thought I had a funny joke about posting your sleep score, and I was trying to get more people to do it. And a few people are, so this is great. I love it. How can you not love the internet? Like, it's just hilarious. You can have so much fun. All right, let's get through. I don't know. It might be a short stream today. Unfortunately, I've been doing these late ones, and like I said, I get super energized by the end of them. And then it's like 11:30 and I can't go to sleep. So I don't know how many we're going to do tonight. We're definitely going to earn this 500 chest, because yesterday we got crushed on the 5,000 chest and I ran out of time. It's because I started it last night or 2 nights ago and forgot. So we don't want to do that again. So we'll get the 500 XP bonus. Let's do it. Keeping that streak alive. Having a good time. Oh, I got to make a note or else I'm going to forget Kevin's idea of seeing what I can do for a charity stream to send John to React Miami. Get a number to go with wife we need tickets plus gift slash bribe to let me go. And for all the young people who hear that, I'm not being serious about let me go. It's a partnership. We just talk about things. We bought a house. We have 2 kids. There are things that sometimes you want to do and you just can't. It's part of growing up. Right. I mean, you can do it, but yeah. I try not to make her angry at me for no reason. I mean, I make her I'm pretty good at not making her too angry. You know. Oh, I'm going down a bad path. Scratch this out. I'm glad nobody. I don't think a lot of people are paying attention, so no one's gonna clip this. Woo! Getting away with that one, because nobody goes back and watches a full live stream. That would be ridiculous. That'd be absolutely out of control. Okay, let's do. Oh, we're on inheritance. All right. The holy grail of object-oriented programming. Inheritance. All right, let's do this. We're locking in. Looking good, feeling good. I think I said that 4 times already. I'm running out of things already. Excuse my loud gulps. I am a loud gulper. It's just what I do. We're going to switch. We're going to do all 3 drinks. There you go. A little hot chocolate. A little water. A little Diet Coke. Perfect. Still working on that Diet Coke sponsorship. Drink Diet Coke. It's delicious. Gives you energy. Makes you feel like you could take on the world. Diet Coke. That's Diet Coke by Coca-Cola Products. Find yours at a retailer near you. Can't say retailer. That's just gonna happen, I guess. Okay. Let's oopity oop and stop distracting myself. Which is a lie I tell myself all the time. Did I post? I did post that I'm doing this, right? Yeah, I did. I mean, don't get me wrong. I know we're growing this channel, folks. I don't expect a lot of action all the time. But just want to make sure that I'm putting it out there. Putting it out for the world. All right. What's up with YouTube and the no viewers? Come on, YouTube. Slackers. Okay. I mean, to be fair, I think I've had viewers on YouTube 1 time since I started doing this, so, you know, it's not that surprising. Oh, shoot. Okay. What was I doing? I was going to start this. I was actually going to start this. I was going to pay attention, focus for more than 15 seconds, and learn about inheritance. All right. Non-OOP, non-oopity-oops, like Go and Rust allow for encapsulation and abstraction features, as nearly every language does. Inheritance, on the other hand, tends to be unique to class-based languages like Python, Java, and Ruby. What is inheritance? Inheritance allows one class, the child class, to inherit the properties and methods of another class, the parent class. This powerful language feature helps us avoid writing a lot of the same code twice. It allows us to dry, don't repeat yourself, up our code. Alright, let's check out some syntax for inheritance. So, cow is a child class that inherits from the parent class animal. Class animal, class cow, animal. A child class, cow inherits animal. Okay, without going any further, I think I've done some of this before, randomly. And so it gets all of, the whole idea, right, is that it gets all of the things from animal class, whatever's in there. It inherits them, duh, that's why it's called inheritance. But then you can add more to it, right? That's all it's doing? Okay, I guess I could just read the 3 seconds below. The cow class can reuse the animal class's constructor with the super method. Super allows the child class to call methods and constructors from its parent class, in this case, init. Okay. So it can take constructors from its parent class. So if you have other constructors in there, they would also work. I'm assuming. Yeah? We're going to go with that. Alright, so there's the example. Animal gets number of legs, and then a cow gets to call. Oh, I see, because it's passing the variable into init. Ah, that's okay. So it gets the number of legs, and you can pass it like that. So that way, the cow will show that it has 4 legs. And then you can do specific properties like udders. Interesting. Okay. All right. I think that makes sense. Shall we try the assignment? Oh, you can't see the assignment yet. Whoop, whoop. There it is. Assignment. Assignment. In Age of Dragons. What am I doing? Hold on. Hold up. In Age of Dragons, all the archers are humans, but not all humans are necessarily archers. Is that true, though? I mean, I feel like we're all archers deep down. All humans have a name, but only archers have a number of arrows property. Complete the archer class. It should inherit the human class in its constructor. It should call its parent's constructor, then also set its unique number of arrows property. Whew. Okay, so we have archer, which is going to get, it's going to pass the name. So it is going to need to do super dot init, and it passes the name. I don't need to give it a name because the test probably will. I just need to pass the name variable, is my gut instinct. And then it also needs to set the number of arrows. So I need self.num arrows equals num arrows. I feel pretty confident that that is the way to do it. Pass. Oh, here you can't see my passes. Boom. I'm not lying to you. I did pass. And submit. We passed them all. I don't know, guys. I think I'm like basically ready for the big leagues. Like, I'm surprised the FANG companies aren't just like knocking down my door right now. Like, come on, Facebook. I know you're watching. Oh, that was a big gulp. Oh, I hope that didn't come across as loud as it felt to me. It's the hot chocolate, man. It's impossible not to gulp hot chocolate. You just gotta gulp it. You gotta gulp it. Okay, hot chocolate down. That's 1 of 3 drinks down. That's how we know we're moving. On to the water. Let's do it. All right. We beat that one. Next, let's check the lesson just to make sure that we didn't do anything silly. We did not. Everything matches. Perfect. Okay. When should I use inheritance? Inheritance is a powerful tool, but it is a really bad idea to try to overuse it. Inheritance should only be used when all instances of a child class are also instances of the parent class. See, this is one of those things that I remember reading way back when, like years ago, and just not getting it at all. And I think, and I will say it's boot.dev ability. Red Bull, what's up, man? What's up? How you doing in the old Twitter chat? Thanks for stopping by. How's it looking on Twitter? We janky? We doing well? Hopefully it looks good. I never know. What are you gonna do? You know, you just keep moving. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I remember reading about this and being utterly confused. But I feel like now that I've been doing this course, as I'm reading this already, I feel like I understand a little bit more about what I'm trying to do. And because I just said that, the next lesson is going to crush me. It always does. So, oh, excuse me. Oh, all right. I was reading, and then I distracted myself. When a child class inherits from a parent, it inherits everything. If you only want to share some functionality, inheritance is probably not the best answer. Better to simply share some functions or maybe make a new parent class that both classes can inherit from. All cats are animals, but not all animals are cats. And you don't want cheese in there. That doesn't make any sense. It makes sense for animals. Oh, I'm doing the test part already. It makes sense for animals to inherit from plants. Incorrect. Got it. Next. It makes sense for cats to inherit from animals. True. Nailed it. Animals and plants might inherit from a class called organisms, unless cats are trees. I don't know, friends. You gotta tell me. You gotta tell me what's up. Alright. We're moving. Okay, this is great. I don't think I have it. Do I have, what time is it? I'm just seeing how much time I have. If I can get all the way through all of Inheritance, that would be pretty sweet, but it's possible. Although how many? Oh no, never mind. I thought there were way fewer than this. Forgot the old scroll down to show how many things are actually in here. Let's just see how we do on this first. I think we're gonna go until I've been doing this for 37 minutes. I think we're gonna go for an hour for sure, because that puts me. Yeah, I'd like to try and finish up tonight by like 10:40 at the latest. So I guess that's still almost 40 minutes. Just because I've been staying up late after doing these, and I gotta get some sleep. My kids don't care if I've been up late streaming. They want breakfast, and their lunch is ready for school, which is fair. They're children. It's my job. Okay, inheritance hierarchy. There is no limit to how deeply we can nest an inheritance tree. For example, a cat can inherit from an animal that inherits from a living thing. That said, be careful. New programmers often get carried away. You should never think to yourself, well, most wizards are elves, so I'll just have wizard inherit from elf. A good child class is a strict subset of its parent class. An example of this with private properties. Oh. That's a weird sentence. Lane, fix that sentence. I like to call Lane out, even though I don't expect him to ever see these. And I will also never remember to go tell him anything. A child class cannot simply access a private property of its parent class. It has to use a getter. For example, so the wall has a self height, and you can get height. And the castle can get the height, but it needs to have the get tower height and return the self dot get height. Is that? I don't think I've ever put that together yet. Is that the definition of a getter? It's just a function that returns something? I mean, it makes sense, but that way you can use it to get some information, I'm assuming. If anybody pays attention to that, let me know if that sounds right, because I was just thinking about that. I was like, oh yeah, that kind of makes sense. Alright, anyways, moving on to the assignment. Let's add a new game unit, crossbowman. A crossbowman? That's a weird word. Crossbowman. I know it's crossbow man, but linked up like that. Crossbowman. Crossbowman. Oh yeah, I can't be alone in here. Come watch me, please. Interact. I lose my mind. Okay, a crossbowman is always an archer, but not all archers are crossbowmen. Crossbowmen have several arrows, but they have an additional method, triple shot. Add a use arrows self-numb method to the archer class. Okay. It should remove number of arrows. If there aren't enough arrows to remove, it should raise a not enough arrows exception. Okay, we've been doing a lot of these. I think we can do this. So we're gonna, oh, oops, hold on. I'm adding this to the archer, right? Yeah, okay. Add a method. So we need this. And we want to do use arrows, self-numb. And then we want to, so we're going to need to check. If there aren't enough arrows to remove, it should raise. Okay, so if self dot num arrows is, we're gonna do this way, greater than or equal to num, then do self dot num arrows minus equals num, and if you don't have it, oops, then we need to raise exception, and what does it want me to say? Not enough arrows. Okay, feeling good about that one. What's next? We've got the crossbowman class's constructor should call its parent constructor, its parent's constructor. Okay, so it's calling, oh, it's calling Archer. Can you see that? Yeah, my head's kind of in the way, but so that's fine. And then so it needs to do super dot init. So if it's calling both, call its parent's constructor. Its parent is Archer, so it needs to call this one, and it needs to pass name and num arrows, correct? I think. And then we need to define the triple shot. So the crossbowman's triple shot method should use 3 arrows. The crossbowman's triple shot method takes a target as a parameter and returns shot by where the parentheses, the squirrely braces, whatever you want to call them, is the name of the human that was shot. Okay. Oh man. All right. We're getting into it now. So here we need to, so first we need to check, we need to try and shoot the person, right? So we need to do if I want to, do I have to call, I have to call super, right? Super dot use arrows and then pass it oh, do I pass it the number of, oh, how many it's going to shoot? It uses 3 arrows. So we're going to pass it a 3. And then that's going to run through the use arrows, make sure that it has it, and then it's going to return the number of arrows we have left. And if it doesn't, it's going to say not enough arrows, so it won't shoot. So that's good. Then we need to hit the human by... Crossbowman's triple shot method takes a target as a parameter and returns. Okay, and then we need to return. Oh, but we don't. Maybe I'm doing the check in the wrong place for the arrows, right? Or am I? Because here, if they use the arrows, it'll raise the exception. Oh, but then it should stop if it raises the exception, right? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Come on. Come on. I think. I don't know. We're going to try it. See what happens. Might blow up. Who cares? Let's do it. Okay, we're going to try this. We're going to return, and it's going to be this. And it's going to be super. No, wait. Do I need to call super to use the function? No, that doesn't make sense, right? Because super's just to get it. I don't want to call super use arrows, right? I want to call... Oh, see, now I don't know. Shoot. I felt really good about this for a second. But I don't think... Super is just to inherit it. And so I don't want to do that. I want to do... Or do I? Do I want to call... Let's find out. Let's do the test. We're going to do the test. We're going to do this. And we're going to do that. And then we're going to... print this because I just want to see what it does, and we're not going to worry about this. And let's see if I can get a print statement coming out. Okay. Well, that's good in this. Oh, well, can only concatenate string, not none type to string. Why did it not like my exception? Oh, maybe because of this? Well, now I don't even know. I'm messing something up. Let's just try it. I don't know what this is gonna do. Let's just figure it out. Let's just go. We just try things and see what happens. Oh, because I didn't do use arrows. Because I'm looking at the wrong thing, aren't I? Wait. I thought I did this. Did I delete something? Oh no, use arrows. Use arrows. Why are there 2 use arrows? Did I do that? I did. It was already here. Shoot. Not that that matters. That won't have caused the errors, but it was already there, and I wrote my own one, didn't I? I'm pretty sure that's what happened. I think. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's just try this. I just want to do what I was going to do and see what happens. I don't know how to call this, though. This, I need to call the human name. It's the target. Oh, target.name. Right? Because, yeah, the target should have the right information in it. Was shot by 3, cross, bow, bolt. Let's just see what happens. Oh, fail. Oh, that one passed, though. Okay. So some of it's working. That's good. Okay, I'm messing up this, which means I messed up this logic, which is what I always do. I need to fix this part, as always. I always mess this up. This is the logic part in my head that I cannot figure out as a person learning to code, and it is so frustrating because I always blow it. Every time I think like, oh, if I change it, I need to do it this way. That's the right way to do it. And then I do it, and then I'm wrong, and that is annoying. But, okay. So, if I call use arrows of 3, should I... No, this is right, because I want to check it in here, but I'm just doing this wrong. So, if... Oh, because I'm checking... This has the use arrows, so that's fine. That should check it, right? I'm just going to try this. Print. I just want to see what happens if I do self.name, because it should... Oh, has no... Oh, see? It has a name. Do I not want to do this? Should I not be putting that in there? No, I should be, because it's going to do this. And why is this not getting a name? Because it's just passing a number. Right? Oh, okay. Let's just try this. We're going to get rid of this. And we're just going to print heck yeah. And I just want to see if I can get anything to... Okay, so heck yeah is printing, so that's good. So that is working. But it's still raising the exception. Why? So let's just get rid of that for a second. Archer object has no attribute name. Why is that happening? It's getting this from human, which has name. And then this is called... Do I have to do... I don't have to do like super, right? Like it should just be super. We'll get it from both. Will it not? Okay. Or do I not want to do this? I probably don't want to do this, do I? Because it has it now. No? Do I just want to do that? No. So I do have to call super, so that was right. Super. So then do I have to do something like super.target.name? No. Hey, you know, we tried. We tried something. Okay, so this is the part that's not working. We're just going to try this for a second. Okay. That's fine. So it is this. It's just not pulling the right name. So how do I get the name of the human? of the target. I guess, oh, here, we could do this. This is a way to check. We can print target and see what is in here. Right? Whoa. What did I do? Empty expression not allowed. Fine. Whatever. Python. So it's an archer object. Oh. That's fine. But if it's an archer object, why doesn't it have the name? It's right there. Target dot right? I don't have to do something else, do I? I don't know. I'll keep working on it. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm not giving up yet. Okay. So this is the archer object. So could I do num? I just want to test. Can I get target num arrows? Will that go through? Archer object has no attribute. So how do I call it? Oh, is it this? No, fudge. I got really excited. Damn it. Thought I had something there. Okay, let's try this again. So I'm seeing oh, you guys can't see that my debug lines. So I got the main, when I print target, I can see this main.archer object. So it is pulling the archer object, excuse me, but the archer object should have a name. Isn't that what this did? Is it pulled the name from here? Was I doing dot name and it's this? I'm gonna be so mad if that was it. No, wait, was that's not right, right? Because this is what's printing. Yeah, main archer object. What else am I printing? Oh, this, heck yeah. I want to get rid of that. We'll just do pass for now. Okay, and then so if I add in name, I get this. Well, that's the name, right? Archer. Okay, well, what if I just do this? Whoops. Will this print the name with the shot by? Or no? No, that's not working. So this is not working. Do I have to... It's not something... Is it this? Or do I have to do... No? Alright. Oh, I'm not going to go to the hints yet, but I know that this is very exciting. This is where it's all falling apart. I don't know how to call it properly. Am I bringing in all the stuff? Num arrows. I did that. That makes sense. I got the name because I did the super in it, which I think is what you're supposed to do, right? You have to do it both times, do you not? Because I'm calling the archer, and the archer in it needs a name and a number of arrows. So that is what I'm doing. If I do target dot num arrows, will that work? No. I don't, my problem is I don't understand this enough. Unexpected exception. I don't understand archer object has no attribute. I don't know why I can't figure that out. That's not this, right? Like, is this isn't causing the error, is it? No. Okay. So it's definitely this, which is what I thought. Okay, crossbowman archer needs to get the name and the number of arrows. And I'm just pulling this from here. That's why I'm doing the super. I think that's right. Okay, let's just try this. We're going to get rid of this. I just want to try printing. Well, here. I just want to try printing. Oh, here. Wait. I need a pass or something here. I just want to try printing self.name. Is that gonna work? What does that do? Oop. Ugh. Crossman object has no name. Okay. What about this? Does that work? No. This is where I go off the rails in trying to figure it out. No. So how do I get... I thought the whole point of the super was that it was inherited. Do I have... It would be silly to have to call the archer class, right? That wouldn't make any sense. Or is that what I have to do? Maybe I should go back. Let's go back and look. Let's go back and look. So... I can call that, and that should be giving it a number of legs of 4. Which is what it is doing. So that's good. Oh, why is this so not working for me? I'm missing something in my brain. Like, that's the name. Get name! Oh my gosh, the getter. I even made a comment on it that you have to use the getter. Oh, that's so silly, silly, silly. Of course. That's why it exists. Oh. Okay. So if I do this, print self dot get name. Oh. I don't know what that's erroring at, but I messed something else up. But that's fine. Connor the Crossman. That's working now. Okay. So what line is giving me the error? Unexpected exception. Can only concat. Okay, let's not worry about that. Let's not worry about that. This is what we want. So in here with the triple shot, I still think I'm pretty close to getting this right. We need to do, we have to get the number of arrows first. We need, that's what this is too, right? I can't do self.number. No, I can. That has arrows. But I can't do that here. I need to do number of arrows because no, I'm just sending 3 though. Okay, hold on though. We're getting there. We are getting there. We are definitely doing this. I feel good. We're going to figure this out. And it only is going to take all of my time. Oh my goodness. Oh, Prime, why did you start streaming at 10:20? Of course nobody's going to come watch my stream. Of course. Come on, man. Okay though. Dang. We're getting close. The getter. The getter was what got me. I got by the getter. I got by the getter. And now we need to sort that out. But okay, that feels so good to have figured that out. Even though I'm not out of the woods, even though we still got a ways to go, I'm feeling better about what we've got. Man, that was just like ridiculous. All right, this might sound weird, but I kind of want to restart this because I didn't do that much. I'm going to restart this. This sounds really silly, but I feel like I messed something weird up, and I'm just going to restart it. We're going to confirm it. We're redoing it. Oh, wait, that didn't work. What did I just do? Did it reset? Don't touch above this line. Oh, maybe it's not reset. Oh, yeah, it did. Okay, good. Okay, so here we need to do super.init. Nope. Init. Oh, I don't think I did that right last time. Anyways, that's okay. This is why we're redoing it, because I felt like I was going on too many tangents, but now I feel good. Okay. And then super name. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go back to the lesson. Use arrows, self num. Okay, here we need to do if I don't need to call get the number of arrows right here because this is the archer. But if I do it, then I feel like it can be reused better. We're gonna pass on this one for 1 second. Hold on. We are going to go down. Let's make sure we got this. to the crossbowman. Okay, pulls it in, triple shot. I feel like I want to do the triple shot first. So should use 3 arrows, and so we need to do use arrows from the getter. So we need to do self dot use arrows, and we are going to pass it the 3 because that's what it needs. It needs to know the number of arrows, and it's always going to use 3 when we do a triple shot. And then we need to return the, and then this is the getter part. We need to do the self dot, oh no, we need to do target dot get, nope, get name, right? And then was shot by 3 crossbow bolts. Okay. Oh, sugar pops and candy drops. Did I do 1 too many? I did. I did 3. Yes! Oh, we're so close. Oh, yeah! Yes, 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 yes. We are so close. We are totally gonna get this. Ah! Okay, okay. Oh, Diet Coke break. Booyah! Oh my god. So excited. Okay. Now we need to actually do the use arrows. So, this is the only part I'm not sure about. But we can just print. Let's just do some prints. So if I do print self dot num arrows, does this work every time use arrows is called? Will the archer shot? It does. It does. Okay, so that's good. So I can just do if, I think. We're going to start this way, and then we'll build out on it. So if self dot number of arrows is greater than or equal to num, because it's just passing the number, which is always going to be 3 right now, then we're going to do what I did before, which is we need to remove the arrows. So we need to do self dot num arrows minus equals num, which we know is always going to be 3 for now. That's the only thing. Is this supposed to be? No, because this is just how many arrows the crossbowman has. Okay. And then we need to raise exception not enough arrows. Ooh. There's something wrong with my if statement? Because this shouldn't raise it every time, I thought. Oh, I have to return. If I return this... Oh, sugar. Minus equals not invalid syntax. Why is that invalid syntax? If I just do an empty return, will that work? Oh, yes! Now, I could get rid of the empty return if I rewrote this so that the exception gets raised first by doing this. If number of arrows is less than the num, then I could do this, put that here, and then if there's nothing there, I can do that, and then I don't think I need that extra return. I mean, I know it's not like a huge deal, right? But yeah, I don't need that anymore. Okay, saving some lines of code. Oh yeah. What is this, refactoring like a flippin' champion? My goodness. Okay. Awesome. Okay, I think this is all right. That Gitter thing really got me. And even though I like just read it and I made even a comment on the Gitter and asked, what is a Gitter? I forgot the part where it said you have to use the Gitter. The Gitter. Oh. Okay. I think we did it. So I'm going to put through the submit and hope that it passes all the real tests. Yes. Ah. Man. Come on. You're telling me this would be half as fun using AI to solve it all for you? Get out of here. If you're learning, stop using AI, you fools. You're blowing it for yourself. You are absolutely losing all of this excitement because you just can't handle yourself. You can't work through it. My goodness, that felt good. Oh, yes. I'm so pleased with that one. I don't think I would have been able to figure that out a year ago. Even doing a lesson. I don't think I would have been able to figure that out by myself. I think I would have just... The concept of the getter function just wouldn't have clicked, and I just never would have got it. Absolutely wouldn't have happened. Oh, man. All right, last little tweet. Currently basking in my own personal glory from solving an inheritance challenge on boot.dev. Oh my goodness. That's definitely a high point to end the stream on tonight. Unfortunately, I don't think anyone was here for it. Don't think anyone was here to witness the greatness. Next time, fools. Although, I'm chatting for a little bit longer. If you're bored, swing on by. Oh, I'm exhausted from trying to figure that one out. Holy. Bum, 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 bum. Oh my goodness, I feel so good. So good. Sorry, now I'm just tweeting. Oh man. Alright, well, friends, when you watch this back later, just know that that was thoroughly enjoyable. My goodness, that was fun. I don't even know what to do with myself right now because I don't even want to start another lesson because I'm so terrified. Not even terrified. I'm just like, why would I start another lesson when I crushed it? And I crushed it so hard that I don't think I could crush anymore. You know? It was just like the crush of all crushes that just happened in my mind. That was big. That was big, baby. That was a tough one. For me, that was rough. But we made it. All right, let's go for it. Let's do one more. What is next? Oh, it's a review. Perfect. I can get into a review. That's just a little reading, a little quick question. This I can do. If my heart rate goes down. What is it? I should check. Let's see. Did it spike? I feel like it must have. All right, hold on. We're pulling up the old heart rate. It had to have spiked. There's no way. I was way too excited. Oh yeah, look at that. Hold on. I don't know if I can show you. Oh, although my heart rate was up all... My average today was 59 resting. It's not bad. And then, can I get like a good shot of this? I don't even know. It got up to 120. Just right now, it got up to 120 doing this. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Oh, that's amazing. I cannot believe it got up to 120. Oh, wow. Rocking it, baby. Just living the dream. Alright. Let's see, what are we at now? How's the heart rate? It's coming back down. Slowly. A few deep breaths, you know? Maybe I'll get into a little ASMR streaming for the next little bit. Just to calm down. This is why I get so excited. This is why I can't sleep. This is why I can't sleep after streaming. I'm just too pumped. Too pumped. Like, okay. Any professional coders that swing by later and watch this, do you feel like this every day when you solve a problem? Because that's fantastic. And I changed my earlier answer. I want to be a software engineer because I want this feeling all the time. Man, what a rush. Okay, let's do these little reviews. And then we're not going to get down into multiple children. That seems like too much. I already have 2 kids. I don't need any more. All right. Inheritance review looks like mostly an image, so the reading here is going to be quick. A good hierarchy: real estate, residential, house. Bad hierarchy: rental, duplex, cheap. That makes sense to me. Those are not related. Good Venn diagrams. So an example of inheritance in code. So the class real estate has a location. The residential has the number of bedrooms plus the location. And the residential has gets the location and bedrooms and also has a yard size. Okay, that makes sense. Imagine dog inherits from canine. The blank class uses super to call the constructor of the blank class. The dog class will use super to call the constructor of the canine class. Nailed it. Oh yeah. Okay. How many levels deep can an inheritance hierarchy tree be? I believe the answer is infinite, which is why they were saying to be careful. You. This guy. This guy. Alright. Multiple children. I think we're done. I think I'm calling it quits. I feel good. I feel like we did what we came to do. Maybe I'll do this. I've never done this before, where you just like switch midstream from software to just chatting or something. Let's do that. We're going to switch it up to just chatting. Boom. And we'll change the title. And we're going to say relaxing after crushing boot.dev inheritance lesson. And we'll just change this up. Maybe we'll play some games or something. I don't know. I don't know what we'll do. Let viewers know your stream was previously recorded. Incorrect. Branded content. Only myself as a brand. Okay, I guess I should change this everywhere. Change this on the old tubes. The YouTubes is what they call it. Pretty sure that's what the kids say. And then I can also change it on thex.com, but they make it terrible to change things. Okay, we don't want this to show. We just want to change the name. Change the name. Changing names is fun when you're with someone. I sing like this all the time when I'm on my own. Now you all have to listen to me. If I don't know what to do. I can't believe how exciting that was for me. It was it was honestly amazing. Whew. Okay, so what are we gonna do? I don't know. I feel like I want to do something for a little bit longer. I'm not ready to call it yet, but I am ready to chill. Learn the swing first. What is this? Oh, nice. Kettlebell. Oh, I made a kettlebell comment. I said kettlebell. I tried to write kettleballs, and apparently they're kettlebells, which shows you how much I know about them and how much glory does not require an audience. Good tweet. Good tweet. Agreed. My heart rate spiked from that. Solving that lesson. It was incredible. All right. So what are we doing? What are we gonna do? What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh man, hot today. I really leaned into being like a sweater guy for my streams. I didn't want to do hoodies all the time like everyone. So I was like, I'm gonna be a sweater guy. But I get hot, and sweaters are hot. I'm gonna have to be a not sweater guy real soon. What a life. What a life. All right, we are just chatting now. I don't have anything to talk about. Nothing exciting. But I just wasn't quite ready to end this because I had so much fun. What can we do? Let's get rid of boot.dev. Let's go back to Pico 8. So that was Aaron's quest, which if you were on here earlier, you would have saw. And then the very first game that I made on Pico 8 is this one. All right, hold on. We're going to turn down the old tunage, and you can listen to these sweet, sweet sound effects. Okay, should we pop an extra large today? Oh, yeah. Boom. Oh, you can't even see everything. I don't think I have any sound effects on here, do I? Oh, yeah, there we go. This is all it was. You press a button, and it pops popcorn. It was so stupid. But I learned a lot about particles and how to make particles do stuff. And so that was fun. Let's do a medium one this time. Oh, bad code. The reset must not have been done properly. I wonder if I could fix it. How hard would it be to fix it? I did the start mode. Oh, this is probably so bad. Update game over, draw, start, draw. Oh yeah, this is gonna be incredibly bad, and it's gonna be so bad. And I haven't done this in so long. No way I'm even gonna be able to fix this. Draw parts, that's fine. Doing the shakes, oh yeah. Update and reset game levels because levels not current. Game timer. It's resetting everything, but why? If kernel's kern move timers greater than 0. And it doesn't like, it's trying to index field. Okay, what line is that on? 58. Oh, this doesn't have lines in here though, does it? I'm not counting 58 lines. That would be insanity. I wonder if it will do search in the page. Will it go through there? Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, so kernels. Oops. Kernels. .rkern. Oh, here we go. Okay. So where is this? Pop kernels based on user input. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Then move kern rkern. Then attempt to index field. So kernels don't exist is the problem. So when it resets, so it's just got to be the reset. There's no. Can I just do this? Oh, can I not edit? I thought I could edit it through here. No, there's a way to do it in Pico 8. You can edit it. How do you do it? I don't remember. Control R? No. Reset. We'll just refresh. Refresh the page. How do you do it? I thought there was a way. I thought edit here. Oh no, that's just editing my post. That doesn't work. All right, I don't think I can edit the code directly in here. That's fine. It doesn't matter. This was the first game I ever made. It was fun. Let's go to the first game that made me start to think like, oh, maybe I can code. I'm not too bad at this. All right, you ready for this one? Gruber music. Oh, Groobs. He made some good stuff. Awesome guy on Twitter. I haven't talked to him in a long time because I haven't been doing the community stuff for very long. But he crushed it. Caleb, for your 9th birthday, your mom and I decided it's time to start building your lemonade empire. Here's $100 to get you going. Good luck. All right, let's buy some lemons. Let's buy some sugar. It's a sunny day. I think we can sell lots of lemonade. 20. I don't think do I have enough to do 60. Oh, it's not gonna do it though. I need more sugar. So let's cut this down. We're gonna sell down to. We'll just do this. This is silly, but we're gonna do it. Buy 10. I don't need 20 cups, but whatever. Now we'll sell some. We only need 10 cups because we're gonna do a 3-to-1 ratio, and I don't have enough money to buy everything else. So we're gonna do 3 lemons to 1 sugar, and we are gonna charge. I think I can get away with charging $10. I think I can sell them all. Let's try it. Hit the streets, baby. Come on. First sale. Oh, did I charge too much? Yes! Come on. Come on. Buy my lemonade. No. I charged too much. I should have charged $8. I would have sold out in a second. Ah. Got greedy. Got greedy. Watch. Am I only gonna sell 1 cup? Oh, I got greedy with the $10 for a cup of lemonade. Come on, baby. Buy. Buy. Oh. Yes. Okay. Yes. Come on. Oh, we're gonna run out of people. The day's gonna end soon. I can feel it. Oh, come on, dude. No. Buy something. No. We're gonna run out of people soon. I know. It's a sunny day, so you get lots of people, but... Yes! Come on. Yes! 4 more cups. Yes! 3 more. Come on. No. I don't have leftover lemonade. It goes to the waste. The waste bin if we run out. Oh no, that's the last guy. Oh no. Oh. I honestly don't remember what I coded here. There are way too many people coming through. Oh, that's it though, right? Yeah. Oh, too expensive. See, the comments were right. It was delicious though. I nailed the recipe. It's almost like I programmed it and know what makes a good recipe. Almost, you know. Oh, what a fool I am. What an absolute fool. Oh. Dang. Dang. That was fun. Anyways, this was a game I made. Now on a rainy day, now you have to be smart. So we're definitely not going to sell as much unless we do it really cheap. Let's just try. If I do this, 10 cups again, and then we'll do the same recipe. Although it's a rainy day, so I feel like people like it more sugary on a rainy day. Oh, shoot. I don't want to do that. Oh, I don't remember what go back is. That one. Okay. So I'm going to do... I need 20 sugar. Okay. And then I'm going to charge the price $4. But how much money did I just spend? I think I spent $60 to buy all this stuff. And if I do 4 and I sell all my cups, I'm only going to make $40. So this is... I'm about to operate at a loss. So let's do 6. Oh, it's not going to sell. It's not going to sell. I was really happy with this feature because it did get really annoying to watch these every single time. But to do this, how many sold? 3. Too expensive and not sour enough. I shouldn't have added the sugar. Who coded this game? What a fool. Alright, anyways. That's a game. I think I am done now. I'm calmed down from my coding win. And nobody else is here. So I might as well go to sleep. Because I got stuff to do. So, alright. Thank you, first of all. Kevin especially for coming in and chatting it up. I don't know who else came in. I saw some other people, but can't see who you are. But that was awesome. I had a lot of fun. I was very excited to get through that problem. That was great. We're going to work on an idea for raising some money to go to React Miami. Thanks, Kevin. Good idea. We'll see what happens. And yeah. I hope everybody has a good Wednesday night. And I'll be back tomorrow. Going to try shooting around same time, 9:30, somewhere around there. And we'll we'll do some more boot.dev. Maybe we'll do some more Pico 8. Who knows? Who knows? It's all up in the air. It's all loosey-goosey, wild and free. Alright. Thanks, everybody. I will talk to you all. I'd raid, but I don't have anyone to raid with. It's just myself. That seems like a silly thing to do. Can I raid Prime as myself? Is that a thing you can do? Anyways, I'm not doing a raid. I'm just leaving. Okay. Peace out. Have a good night. Thanks. Oh, sugar. Hit my microphone. Have a good night. Bye, guys. How do I stop a stream again? You know, the button somewhere. There it is. All right. Bye.